Children, let's we learn main course book in Standard 7 English Medium. Subject Maths. Chapter number 11 Perimeter and Area. In previous video I solved exercise number 11.1 to 11.2. Today I am solving exercise number 11.3, page number 280 to 223. In this exercise we learn about circumference of a circle, area of a circumference, area of a circle, and already know diameter of a circle is equal to 2 multiply radius of a circle. Diameter of a circle is equal to 2 multiply radius of a circle, and radius is equal to diameter of a circle divided by 2. Now, circumference of a circle, the distance around a circular region is known as the circumference of a circle. The ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter is constant and is denoted by pi. It's denoted by pi. Pi is equal to 22 divided by 7 or 3.14. Pi's value is equal to 22 divided by 7, 3.14. Now C divided by D is equal to pi. C divided by D is equal to pi. So C is equal to circumference and D is equal to diameter. Now circumference is equal to pi multiply D. Pi multiply D. Now D is equal to 2 multiply R. D is the diameter and diameter is equal to 2I. That means circumference formula is equal to 2 pi R. 2 pi R. Now area of a circle is equal to, area of a circle's formula is equal to pi R square. Pi R square. Now first question here, find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Circumference formula is equal to 2 pi R, and we are taking here pi is equal to 22 out of 7. Now first one here, C is equal to 2 pi R. These formulas are there. 2 pi R. C, that means circumference. 2 and pi. Pi is, about pi. Pi's value is equal to 22 divided by 7, and R is equal to radius. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, and here diameter's formula 2R. Diameter is equal to 2R. Now here 2 multiply 22 out of 7, and R is equal to 14 centimeter. Then 7 to the 14. 22 to the 44, 44 to the 88. So circumference is equal to 88 centimeter. Circumference of the circle is equal to 88 centimeter. Same as it is, C is equal to 2 pi R. 2 multiply 22 out of 7 multiply 28. 7 4 the 28. 22 4 the 88. 88. Here 88 2 the 88. 8 2 the 16. Carry forward 1. 8 2 the 16 plus 1 70. 176 centimeter. That means circumference of the circle is equal to 176 centimeter. Same as it is, circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi R. 2 pi R. 2 here pi values is 22 out of 7. R values is here 21 centimeter. 7 3 is 21. 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. Here 22 multiply 6. 6 2 is 12. Carry forward 1. 6 2 is 12 plus 1. 13. 132 centimeter. So circumference of a circle is equal to 132 centimeter. Next question here. Find the area of the following circle given that. Find the area of a following circle. area of a circle's formula is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. Pi multiply r multiply r. Here pi's value is 22 out of 7. Pi's value is 22 out of 7. So radius here 14 mm. So area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Pi value is 22 out of 7 and 14 square. So 22 out of 7 multiply 14 and multiply 14. 7 2s are 14. 22 2s are 44 multiply with 14. 44 multiply 14. 4 4s are 16 carry 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 0 4 4. Here 6. Here 11 carry forward 1. 5 and 6. 616 centimeter square. 616 centimeter square. Area of a circle is equal to 616 centimeter square. Now next here diameter is equal to 49 meter. You know diameter of circle. Diameter of circle is equal to 2 multiply radius, and radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So here r is equal to d divided by 2. So 49 out of 2 meter. 49 out of 2 meter. Now area of circle is equal to pi r square. So pi's value here 22 out of 7 multiply 49 out of 2, then 49 out of 2. 11 2s are 22. Now 49 multiply 49. 9 9s are 81 carry forward 8. 4 9s are 36. 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44. Here 44. Here 0. 4 9s are 36 carry forward 3. 4 4s are 16 17 18 19. Here 1 carry 1. Here 14 carry 1. 2 4 0 1 multiply with 11. Here 7 and 2. 7 multiply 2. Now 2 4 0 1 multiply with 11. 1 1s are 1 0. 1 5 4s are 4 2 0 1 0, then 4, then 2. 1 1 4 6 2. Here 2 6 4 1 1 out of 14. Now here 2 6 4 1 1 divide with 14. 14 1s are 14. 14 2s are 21. So 14 1s are 14. Here 2, here 1 left, 4 down. 14 8s are here 2 carry forward 3. 4 1s 8 1s are 8 plus 3 11. So 14 8s are 112. Here 2 1 0. Again 1 down. 14 8s are 112. 11 minus 2. Here 9 0 0. Again down here 1. Then 14 7s are 7 4s are 28 carry forward 1 7 1 98. 14 6s are 84. 14 6s are 84. Here 8. Here 11 minus 4. Here 7 0. Keep here point and here 0. Here 70. 14 5s are 70. 14 5s are 70. We get answer here 0 0. So our answer is 1886. 0.5 centimeter. Area of a circle is equal to 1886.5 centimeter square. Area of a circle is equal to 1886.5 centimeter square. Now number 3 here. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter. If the circumference of the circular sheet is equal to 154 meter, find its radius. Find its radius and also find the area of the sheet. Area of the sheet. Here take pi is equal to 22 out of 7. Now circumference C is equal to here 154 meter. Now here we find R is equal to what? Now you know circumference of a circle's formula is equal to 2 pi R. 2 pi R. R is equal to C divided with 2 pi. 2 pi. So see here 154 multiply divide with 2 here 22 out of 7. 7 move here and that means multiplication. 154 multiply 7 out of 2 multiply 22. Now first 154 divide with 2. 2 sevens are 14. 1 left here 4. 2 sevens are 14. 77 2s are 154. Then again 77 divide with 22. 22 3s are 66. 1 1. Keep point here 0. 22 5s are 10 carry 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 1. 110. 0 0. We get answer here 3.5. 20s are 22s are 77. 3.5 multiply here 7. Now 3.5 multiply with 7 5s are 35 carry 3. 7 3s are 21 22 23 24. So 24.5 centimeter. 24.5 centimeter. So radius is equal to 24.5 centimeter. Then also find the area of the sheet. Also find the area of a sheet. Area of a circle. Area of the circle formula is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. Here pi is equal to 22 out of 7 and r square is equal to 24.5 and 24.5. 24.5 and 24.5. Now 2 7 multiply 245 multiply 245 out of 100. Out of 100. Now 245 multiply 245. 5 5s are 25 carry forward 2. 5 4s are 20. 22 carry 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Then 0 5 4s are 20 carry 2. 4 4s are 16 17 18 carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 here 9. 2 zeros. Then 5 4s are 2 5s are 10 carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 here 9. 2 2s are 4. 5 2 10 20 here 6. So 22 out of 7 multiply 6 0 0 25 out of 100. Then 22 multiply with 22. 6 0 0 25 multiply with 22. 2 5s are 10 carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 0 0. 2 6s are 12. Keep 1 0. 2 5s are 10 carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 0 0 and 12. 0, 5, 5, 0, 2, 3, 1. Then 1, 3, 2, 0, 5, 5, 0. Divide with 7 out of 100. 1 0 cut, 1 0 cut. Now 1,32,055 divide with 7. 1,320,55 divide with 7. 7 ones are 7. Here 6 left and 2. 7 8s are 56. Here 5. 12 minus 6, 6. Again down here 0. Then 7 8s are 56. Here 4 left. Again down here 5. 7 6 are 42. Here 3 left and 5. And 7 5s are 35. 0 0. And then we get answer here what? 1886.5 divide with 10. That means 1886.5 centimeter square. So area of the circle is equal to 1886.5 centimeter square. 1886.5 centimeter square. Now next question here. 5. From a circular sheet of a radius 4 centimeter. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of a radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of a remaining sheet. Find the area of a remaining sheet. So here outer circles radius is equal to 4 outer circle radius r is equal to 4 centimeter. Then inner circle r is equal to 3 centimeter. Find the area of a remaining sheet. Find the area of a remaining sheet. Now area of outer circle. Area of outer circle is equal to pi r square. Pi formula is equal to 3.14 and r is equal to 4 multiply 4. So 4 4s are 16. 3 here 16. 6 4s are 24. Carry 2. 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8. 8 6 8 3s are 18. 0 4 1 3. 4 here 8 plus 2 8 plus 4 12. Carry 1 10 1 3 4 5. So 50.24 centimeter square. Now area of outer circle's value is 50.24 centimeter square. Now area of inner circle is equal to pi r square. Pi value is 3.14 multiply 3 multiply 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3.14 multiply with 9. 9 4s are 36. Carry 3. 9 1s are 9 plus 3. 12 carry 1. 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28. So 28.26 centimeter square. Now find the area of a remaining sheet. Find the area of a remaining sheet is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Area of the remaining sheet is equal to outer area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So here 50.24 minus 28.26. Now here 1 14. 14 minus 6 8. Again 1 minus 2, it is not possible. Here 4, here 11, here 11 minus 2, 9, 9 minus 8, here 1, 4 minus 2, 2. So area of a remaining seat is equal to 21.98 centimeter square. 21.98 centimeter square. Area of a remaining seat is equal to 28.98 centimeter square. Thank you, students.